Your boss is unfair. Your parents didn't love you enough. The economy screwed you. Keep telling yourself that, because as long as it's their fault, you never have to change. Reality check, winners adapt, losers whine. Which one are you? You think Elon Musk wakes up motivated? No, he disciplines his lazy ass and gets to work. But you'll sit there waiting for some magical burst of inspiration while your life rots away. Newsflash, motivation is a myth. Action comes first. Feelings come later. You won't hit the gym until you have the perfect routine. You won't start that business until you know everything. Meanwhile, the guy who just started is miles ahead of you. Perfection is just procrastination in disguise. And procrastination, that's how dreams die. Here's the truth. You're not stuck because of bad luck. You're stuck because you keep choosing comfort over growth every damn day. The fix? Simple. Stop the excuses. Start before you're ready. Embrace the suck. And for the love of God, stop pretending you're the victim of your own life. So, what's it gonna be? Keep following these 3 steps and stay exactly where you are, or finally wake up and do something about it.